9 fragrant flowers open after sunset to attract nocturnal pollinators. Dragon fruit flowers. Massive white blooms up to 12 inches across open one night only on cactus stems. Intensely fragrant with vanilla-like scent. Hand pollinate for fruit production or let night-flying moths do the work. Daturi. Trumpet-shaped white or purple flowers emerge at dusk with intoxicating sweet fragrance. All parts extremely toxic if ingested. Grows as annual in cold climates, perennial in zones 9 to 11. Evening primrose. Bright yellow four-petaled flowers unfurl rapidly at sunset, audibly popping open. Self-sows freely in sunny, well-drained locations. Biennial that blooms second year from seed. Moonflowers. Pure white morning glory. Relatives climb 15 feet, opening fragrant blooms exclusively after dark. Each flower lasts one night. Grows as annual except in frost-free zones 10 to 12. Queen of the night. Rare night-blooming cereus, produces spectacular white flowers once yearly. Cactus can live decades before first bloom. Needs bright indirect light and minimal water. Night water lilies. Tropical varieties open at dusk and close by mid-morning. Hardy types bloom during day. Require still water and full sun. Lift tubers before frost in cold climates. Polyanthes. Tuberosa. Intensely fragrant white tubular flowers on tall spikes. Plant tubers in spring after last frost. Lift and store indoors in zones colder than 8. Used in perfume production. Nottingham catchfly. Delicate white flowers with deeply notched petals release clove-like scent at night. Wildflower native to Europe, naturalizes easily. Self-sows in well-drained soil. 4 o'clocks. Trumpet flowers in yellow, pink, red, or white open late afternoon. Bushy plants tolerate heat and drought. Tuberous roots overwinter in zones 7 to 10. Grow as annual elsewhere. Plant night bloomers near patios or bedroom windows to enjoy their evening fragrance.